Learn Hindi fast. I am looking for, I am hungry and
क्या मैं?
essential travel phrases. Welcome to your Hindi adventure. Hey, you are in the right place if you want useful Hindi fast and without boring drills. Today you will learn by following one slightly chaotic, very hungry, and very thirsty traveler. Our hero arrives in India with confidence, curiosity, and the special talent of losing things immediately. Within 10 minutes, the hero says,
मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
because of missing keys, then.
मुझे भूख लगी है.
Because learning is hard work, then.
मुझे प्यास लगी है.
Because panic is dehydrating. By the end, you will also know how to ask politely.
क्या मैं?
Say,
मैं भुगतान करना चाहूँगा.
and share what you like with.
मुझे पसंद है.
The great search begins. Let's start with a phrase you can use the moment life becomes dramatic. And yes, life loves drama. You pat your pockets. You check your bag. You check the same pocket again as if the keys might have grown there. You say,
मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
meaning, I am looking for. Try it with real examples. I am looking for my keys.
मैं अपनी चाबियाँ ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
I am looking for a bookstore.
मैं एक किताबों की दुकान ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
I am looking for my friend.
मैं अपने दोस्त को ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
Funny memory trick. Imagine a detective searching for glasses that are already on his head, whispering with great seriousness.
मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
Permission first, chaos later. Now let's make you polite before you accidentally walk into a kitchen, a classroom, or someone else's wedding photo. The useful starter is,
क्या मैं?
it means, can I come in?
क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ?
Can I sit here?
क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकती हूँ?
Can I ask a question?
क्या मैं एक सवाल पूछ सकती हूँ?
Think of,
क्या मैं?
as your polite magic key. You do not smash doors open. You tap gently, smile, and let the language do the work. Emergency, hungry human. Excellent, you found your manners. Now let's deal with your stomach, which has entered a protest movement. Say,
मुझे भूख लगी है.
I am hungry. Picture this. You smell hot bread, curry, or snacks from a street stall, and your stomach starts singing like an opera star. That is your cue.
मुझे भूख लगी है.
After school, I am hungry.
स्कूल के बाद मुझे भूख लगी है.
By dinner time, I am hungry.
रात के खाने के समय मुझे भूख लगी है.
Mini contrast. Hunger is.
भूख.
Food is.
खाना.
If you say the first one with enough emotion, food may magically appear. Results not guaranteed. Emergency. Thirsty human. Now your stomach has a partner in crime, your throat. Let's fix that too. Say,
मुझे प्यास लगी है.
I am thirsty. After a run, after a long walk, or after too much spicy food, you can say,
मुझे प्यास लगी है.
please give me water, I am thirsty.
कृपया मुझे पानी दीजिए. मुझे प्यास लगी है.
Quick comparison time.
मुझे भूख लगी है.
Means I am hungry.
मुझे प्यास लगी है.
Means I am thirsty. One gets you food, the other gets you water. Ideally, not the other way around. What you like. You have searched, asked permission, survived hunger, and defeated thirst. Now you are ready to have opinions. Use this pattern.
मुझे पसंद है.
It means, I like tea.
मुझे चाय पसंद है.
I like music.
मुझे संगीत पसंद है.
I like this book.
मुझे ये किताब पसंद है.
This phrase is wonderful because it lets you connect with people fast. You can talk about tea, songs, books, places, or snacks. Also, if you say,
मुझे चाय पसंद है.
often enough, someone may hand you tea. Again, not a legal promise, but a hopeful lifestyle. Restaurant scene with maximum drama. Now let's put everything together in a mini story. Listen like a movie narrator is following you with a camera. You walk into a small cafe and politely ask,
क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकती हूँ?
You sit down and realize you are absolutely starving. So you whisper, then repeat louder because your stomach has no shame.
मुझे भूख लगी है.
The weather is hot, so a moment later you add.
मुझे प्यास लगी है.
The server asks what you enjoy, and you proudly answer.
मुझे चाय पसंद है.
After the meal, calm, happy, and no longer acting like a dehydrated detective, you say.
मैं भुगतान करना चाहूँगा.
Congratulations! You have just survived a full social situation in Hindi. Paying without panic. This next phrase is small, powerful, and very useful if you prefer not to wash dishes as international payment. Say.
मैं भुगतान करना चाहूँगा.
I would like to pay. At the counter, you can say.
काउंटर पर मैं भुगतान करना चाहूँगा.
Excuse me, I would like to pay.
माफ कीजिए, मैं भुगतान करना चाहूँगा.
Memory trick. Imagine 10 waiters suddenly appearing from nowhere the moment you say.
मैं भुगतान करना चाहूँगा.
It is dramatic, unrealistic, and therefore memorable. Quick drill challenge. Your turn now. I say it in English, and you answer in Hindi. No pressure. Okay, a little pressure. But friendly pressure. I am looking for.
मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
Can I?
क्या मैं?
I am hungry.
मुझे भूख लगी है.
I am thirsty.
मुझे प्यास लगी है.
I like tea.
मुझे चाय पसंद है.
I would like to pay.
मैं भुगतान करना चाहूँगा.
Friendly conclusion. You did great today, seriously. You learned practical Hindi that you can actually use in real life. Today you practiced.
मैं ढूंढ रहा हूँ. क्या मैं? मुझे भूख लगी है. मुझे प्यास लगी है. मुझे पसंद है.
And.
मैं भुगतान करना चाहूँगा.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and do not worry about being perfect. Every sentence you say is progress. See you in the next Hindi adventure.